in today's episode. How do you do, welcome. So today the weather is hotter, or it's not as cold as it was yesterday. The snow is gone, but it's snowing. Yeah, that's a conundrum. The snow is coming down, but it's sort of melting. Anyway, what am I to do today? I think a good clean-up is not what I need, but what the apartment needs. Sort of organisement and stuff like that. Yesterday was all about cooking. Today is all about cleaning. By the way, my breakfast today was one scone. The one scone I didn't eat yesterday. So tomorrow I'll be making new scones, and then I might try how to infuse Earl Grey. Because, I mean, it can't be just tea, can it? Well, maybe it can. Oh, yes, totally forgot to tell you what I meant to tell you. I'm going to have lunch now. Lunch is going to be a filled pita bread. The pita bread will be filled with what I made yesterday. I'm going to heat it up in the microwave. I kind of fancy that in sort of Spanish, microwave is pronounced microwave. Do you think it is? Microwave. I think wewa. That's, yes, micro or micro. Microwave. La microwave. Now I'm going to Google the real microwave in Spanish, and I'm going to tell you.
Horno microondas. Horno microondas. Horno microondas.
So I think the Spanish-speaking people are wrong. It would be so much more fun if it's called microwave instead of horno microondas. Horno must be oven. Microondas. Horno microondas. Anyway, I'm going to eat lunch now, and I'm going to heat my pita bread in a horno microondas. Espandrillo. Mi ama es horno microondas e yo hablas españoles curamentes. Por favor, regardosa Joakim Clifton Bergmans Instagram account. Es muy rigatoni. Espandrillo. Mi ama es horno microondas e yo hablas españoles curamentes. Por favor, regardosa Joakim Clifton Bergmans Instagram account. Es muy rigatoni. And yes, that pita bread in the microwave, or oh God, I can't even remember the name. Horno Microondas. It's cold now. Yes, here I am with a weather update. Oh, looks like it's sort of, in places it sort of stays. Damn it. Snow, go away. Come back. Not in May. So it is snowing, but there's so much wind. I don't know if you can see that the snow is coming on sort of, it's not going that way, it's going that way. It's windy as fuck, and I'm so glad I don't have to get out today. By the way, I bought a jacket online today. So anyway, every year, or twice a year, or maybe once a year, H&M used to have this collaboration with someone and with a designer. And this year it's Simone Rocha, or Rocha, I don't know. And I showed you a couple of days ago. I think the clothes are kind of dreary, really. I mean, couldn't that trench coat be in another colour? It's just, what separates them from anything is that the pearls on the lapel. And a shirt with no. But I bought this one because I want to give myself a present, and I thought this was a good one. It is quite lovely, isn't it? And it is Simone Rocha, Simone Rocha. Yes. So I need something sweet. So I thought about that dessert I made yesterday. So this is called firni, and I just uploaded the video of the recipe and how I make them to my other channel, Vilken Vegan. By the way, making popcorn. Watch what's happening outside. Can't really see. It's a blizzard. Yes, I would call it a blizzard. By the way, this is my own flavoring. It's deactivated yeast, salt, garlic powder, oregano. Is that it? That's it. So regarding my story today about microwaves in Spanish, Fiamil told me to look up a video with Nigella Lawson saying microwave.
Milk, full fat, which I've warmed in the microwave.
Okay, people on the internet, you need to see this. Well, doesn't look that bad, but believe me, it is bad. Look at that poor person that can't really see because the camera won't focus, trudging along backwards. That person is walking backwards because the wind is coming from the other side and the person can't really breathe. That person might be dead by the time you watch this. So, well, I just want to share. Now, once again, it's time to reorganize the bedroom or finish it. Look at that wig peeping up. I can see you. By the way, remember that workout I did yesterday and the day before? No, 2 days before that. I have a problem getting up from a chair and sitting down on a chair. Ass hurts. Legs hurt. Nothing else hurts. People, my light vegan dinner is flatbread with vegan butter and a soup, red lentil, ginger and apple soup that I pureed. Hopefully, this is what I love to do. I love to dip the hard bread into it, that the butter melts. Bon appétit, people. This is good.
Men sen försvinn. Din hustru vill nog gärna att jag visar dig några vapen som tog livet av våra förfäder. Du kanske en listning men säkert blir...
Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe and tell all your friends and family and lovers how fantastic I am and tell them to watch me as well.